Squarespace promo codes, discount codes, coupon codes, whatever you guys want to call it. As you can tell by today's video title, I'm going to be going through everything you need to know about Squarespace in terms of their promo codes and all that type of stuff. And all you have to do is go for the link down below in the video description to get all the up-to-date information, because as you can see at the time of recording this video live, as you can see, there's actually a special promo code which allows you to get 20% off any website plan, and you can literally access this promo code through the link down below, and it'll be like a big header on top of the website where you can go ahead and learn more about it. But of course, this is going to be for a limited time, so I just really want to emphasize that as well. But again, if there are any new promo codes or discounts or anything like that, when you go through the link down below in the description, there should be, different headers or like different updates. And again, if there's like specific like page that you need to go to, I'll update the link down below for that as well. So you can obviously go through the link down below in terms of like getting the best deals just in general when there are different like events. But there's two things I want to go through in terms of going over evergreen promo codes and like evergreen ways to save money with Squarespace, because obviously if you're watching this video, you're looking to save some money on Squarespace, get a discount, looking for the best promo codes. So let's actually go through that in today's video. So the first thing I want to address is that not many people really take advantage of this, but you can actually first and foremost get a massive discount just by paying annually. So as you can see right here, it's going to be $23 a month, $33 a month for business, $36 a month for commerce right here, and $65 a month for the advanced commerce. Okay, but if you go over here to pay annually, you actually save a ton of money. So depending on which plan you choose, you can actually save up to 30% annually. So that's an amazing way to first and foremost save a bunch of money right off the bat. Now, there's also another page right here. So as you can see, there's this Squarespace promo codes page right here where you can use this particular code right here, and it allows you to basically take 10% off. So that's a pretty cool deal. Again, I don't know how long this particular promo code is going to last for, so I do want to just quickly mention that. But again, if there are like any other new promo codes or anything like that, I'll be constantly updating the link down below in the video description, most importantly for that, but also updating the video description just with like different codes and stuff in general, as things do change potentially in the future. But at the time of recording this video, this code is also working really well as well. So I wanted to mention this in today's video as well. So at the time of recording today's video, if you want to learn more, feel free to click the top link down below in the description for your convenience to learn more. But yeah, at the time of recording today's video, there's going to be 3 ways we can save money. So which is going to be the first of all, 20% off any new website plan, which is going to expire on November the 30th. So just do keep that in mind. So that's like the first promo code you can use. The second way to save money is by going with the annual plan, because you save up to 30% annually right here, as you can see on screen, which is a great way to save a bunch of money right off the bat. And then the third way is another promo code, which is going to be this one right here, and this is going to take 10% off. So take 10% off a website or domain on any plan. Just enter the promo code during the checkout and all that type of stuff, so you're good to go. So yeah, just wanted to make a quick video going over that for you guys. Again, feel free to go through the link down below in the video description to learn more and to take advantage of this special deal while it's still available right here. And I'll be updating the video links down below and the description in general if there are any new promo codes or anything like that. So I just wanted to make this quick video because I know a lot of my viewers have been looking for a way to save some money with Squarespace. So I wanted to make a quick video going over that for you guys so you can save some money right off the bat. So yeah, thanks for watching today's Squarespace coupon codes, discount codes, and Squarespace promo codes. Thanks for watching.